Hey everyone, so I'm going to give you a video on grammar today, which is a first actually, but is because I'm going to have a couple of students that need to know the difference between using the A or N for tests. So I'm going to do this. Stay tuned, you may learn something or maybe not, you just check your learning, and more videos on other stuff are going to come, of course. So let's go. Do you use A or N? So A, you use the A before words that start with a consonant sound. So it's not the actual first letter of the word that is a consonant, but the sound that it makes is a consonant sound, or the start of the sound is a consonant sound. And you use N before words that start with a vowel sound. So again, it's not the actual first letter of the word that needs to be a vowel, but the sound itself needs to look like it's a vowel sound. I'm going to give you some examples. So let's see some examples. I say a historic or historic in this case, historic monument. So historic starts with a H sound. So H sound is a consonant, so I put an A. But on the other hand, I may say an honorable fellow. And honorable starts with an O sound, so it starts with a vowel sound. Therefore, I use N, A-N, okay? In the same way, I'm going to have some other examples like I can say an utopian idea, and because it starts with a consonant sound, utopian idea, I'm going to start with an A, or I'm going to put an A in front of it. But on the other hand, also starting with a U, which is a vowel, I can say an unfair world, where unfair starts with a vowel sound. I was going to say consonant now, a vowel sound, and therefore you use an. Some other examples. She has a one-track mind. One track here, although you say one and it's something that starts with an O, so a vowel, it sounds like you're saying one with a W. So because it starts with a W sound, and W is a consonant, you use A. But I also can say she has an MBA but chooses to work as a missionary. Now, MBA, although M is a consonant, it starts with a vowel sound because it looks like I'm saying EM, MBA. So it starts with a vowel sound, so I do a AN, an MBA. And missionary starts with a consonant sound, so I'm going to do an A, okay? Some other examples. For example, I can say a unicorn, and U for unicorn is an U, so the vowel U. But as I'm saying the word, it looks like I'm saying U, so starting with a Y, okay? And in the same way, I can also say an umbrella. And again, here I have the same letter starting the word, a U, but in this case I say it as umbrella, so it sounds like, or it starts with a vowel sound, so I use an. Okay, so this stuff, this particular picture here actually is not mine, so all the rest is mine, but this one I just took it from the internet because I kind of wanted to have just a picture that you could just print if you want to print this stuff. So this is the whole summary of everything. So when the word starts with a consonant sound, you use A. When the next word starts with a vowel sound, you use N. Examples: a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. And an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. All of these words start with vowels and also with vowel sounds, okay? And these ones actually started with consonants and consonant sounds. However, the sound of the letter is important. So for example, you say house starting with a H, but you say an hour, because in an hour the H is silent and it doesn't look like you're starting with a consonant but with a vowel. You say an uncle, but you say a university because the U in the beginning of the university sounds like U, so with a Y, but uncle starts with a vowel sound. And this applies just as well if you have adjectives, adverbs, all of these things, okay? So a cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. So again, all that you pay attention to, or all that you need to pay attention to, is the sound. Although many times the first letter of the word is going to help you out, look at the sound, okay? So just to make sure that we know everything, I have here the check your knowledge, where you guys need to decide if you're going to use a or an. And again, pause the video, try it yourselves, because spoilers, the answers are going to come just right now. Okay, so answers: a car, because it has a consonant sound. I can say a book as well, because again it has a consonant sound. But if I say an apple, I say an apple, because it starts with a vowel sound. A star, it should be an eraser. I should say a house, because it sounds, a H is not a silent H, but an hour, just like in the example in the previous slide. I can say a ring, but I need to say an umbrella, okay? Because the U is just the vowel sound U, okay? Not the you, like hey you. Anyway, a pencil, an ear, a unicorn, a year. I have a problem saying ear and year, and then a lime. Okay, so that is all for you guys today. I know that many of the people that see my videos are British or American, or they have the first language to be English, so you may be like, oh, unnecessary, but this is to help out everyone. So I hope you enjoyed it. Either way, more videos on physics are going. I also have the answer for the riddle. I just didn't have the time to post it as a video yet. And I don't know if I'm just mentioned right now, but I also have something on physics, on mechanics, so that's going to come soon as well. All that I just need is have a little bit of time to sit down, do the recording, and upload it on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for other videos, and up to my next video. Be happy and healthy. Bye.